of my clients recommended Dean. I had some problems with my teeth and I needed severe dental work because I stayed away from dentists for a long time. Fear of going back, uncomfortable visits, and I made an appointment with Dr. Dean, and it's been an amazing experience ever since. The staff here at Brewer Dentistry is absolutely amazing. You feel like you're visiting relatives when you come here. It's a very comfortable environment. Everybody makes you feel at home, and I never ever thought twice about not coming back. Oh my gosh, I was in here quite a bit because my fillings kept wearing out. I mean, they were just, every tooth in the front had a filling in it, and they would get these wide gaps, and of course they would stain, and it would start looking really bad, and then Dean would have to go back and redo the fillings, and it was on, and then he suggested capping the fronts, and I went, really? And this is what it is. It's amazing. So now, hopefully, I won't have to be back as often, but I will, just to visit. I would highly recommend Brewer Family Dentistry.